deep in the shadows.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, welcome and be part of the family. In this family, we talk about beauty, skincare, lifestyle vlogs, and welcome and be part of the family. If you're returning, welcome back. I see you guys. Thanks for the support. Our last video was so good, so I'm feeling like people like skincare videos, so I'm gonna give you more of that. So let's get started. So the first step is cleansing, and I'm using a Cleanance cleansing gel. This is really good for my skin because my skin type is combination, so you need to find out which works for you. So first things first, I make sure that my skin is a bit moist, and then I take up that cleanser and rub it off a bit on my arms, and then I apply it, and I'm using the 60 seconds rule. I learned this from TikTok, I guess. So here my face is nice and clean and fresh, so I'm using a clean towel to pat my face with before we get to the next step. And you need to do this gently to just so that your face is not so dry, it's a bit damp. That's what we need, so that you don't remove all the hydration from your face. Nice and fresh. So our next step is the serum, and I like to use a vitamin C serum during the day because of the benefit of antioxidant during the day. So it really helps to protect the skin, and it actually, I think it's almost done, but we have a little something there. So I like to apply this on my morning skincare routine, and yeah, it's finished, but we have something. So I like to apply that all over my face and around also my neck. So the next step is applying our eye cream, and I'm using this retinol cream, retinol eye cream. So it's been really doing a good job. It's fantastic, I would say. And what I noticed is you need to really use a light hand, because when I go in so hard, I get a bit of irritation, and that's just me, but I noticed that's what happened. But it's been working so much. If you have under eyes, some smile lines, it really helps to tighten the skin. So that's one way I think I really like how it works, and I was recommended this by my Japanese friend, so it's amazing. So the next step is applying our moisturizer, and I'm using a CBD moisturizer. It hydrates, soothes, and also softens. I've been using this, I think, for a month now, and I must say it's been doing the job. So it's been a good one. And what I would say, maybe for moisturizer, you need to find a moisturizer that suits also your skin type. So it all goes down to your skin type. You need to understand and know your skin type. If you don't, you can ask maybe your dermatologist, or you can always have online doctors who can you can take a quiz and know your skin type. So it's very important when you're doing your skincare to understand first what is your skin type. So when I'm doing my skincare routine, whether morning or night, I like to, when I'm applying my moisturizer, I like to give myself a bit of massage on the face for just blood flow and all that, and really helps. Sometimes you can wake up and your face is a bit swollen or something. It happens to me, I don't know about you, but yeah, it helps for blood flow. So yeah, my skin is nice and fresh and I like it. So the fifth step is applying the SPF, and SPF 30 is what is usually recommended, and I'm using an LR Beauty SPF, and that is SPF I think 30 also. So I like to just pat it because I have layered other products and I don't want to, like go in too hard, and so just patting it so that I have that protection from the sun rays, from the pollution and all that. It's very important. I feel like most of us sometimes we feel like it's not important, maybe just because it's winter or there's no sun and you feel like I don't need it. We need it all year round, trust me. And when you start using the SPF 30 all day long, like every day, you will see such a huge difference, trust me. Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so grateful that you stayed till the end, and let me know on the comment down below what else do you do on your morning skincare routine. I'm also on Instagram, so you can find me on Instagram at Lea Korea Mundo. Hey guys, it's a wrap, and that is the 5-step skincare morning skincare routine. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. It's easy and quick in the morning when you don't want to do so many things. This is an easy tutorial to follow, and even when you're going to work and stuff, I feel like it's not too complicated, so you can easily incorporate it in your daily skincare routine. Let me know in the comment section down below what other things do you do, or what other products do you incorporate in your morning skincare routine, and I'll be glad to learn. So I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video, and also comment down below. Follow me on Instagram and I'm gonna follow back so that we are family. I'll see you then guys. Let me know, actually also let me know if you would like to see my nighttime skincare routine, because there's one secret product that I found that is really helping me, and to farm the skin and all that. So I'm going to share in my nighttime skincare routine. So let me know, would you like to see my nighttime skincare routine? I'll see you then guys. Love you. Ciao.